This unplanned journey to try to find the best meatball sub in all of Boston started with Phantom Gourmet tricking me again. I went to my high school darling, and let's just say they disappointed me. I'm continuing my search, looking everywhere, so I go to Lynn, Durum, a place I believe has the best Italian sub in the North Shore, to see if they can come through. The video doesn't lie, and neither do I. Yeah! What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel as I share my passion for food in New England, especially food here in the Boston area. We're in the North Shore, where I'm from. I'm not a yuppie food review content creator telling you to go to Back Bay to eat some food. No, go to North Shore, the best place in the Boston area to eat. Durum gave me one hell of an Italian sub, to the point that I had to proclaim it the new North Shore King with Italian subs. So they should be able to come through with a meatball sub. But here's the issue. I live 5 miles away. I have to take the meatball sub and drive it 5 miles down the road and hope that the sub holds up. Now, you guys might be thinking 5 miles, that's 5-10 minutes of a drive, not coming out of Lynn, the city of sin. I just want to go down the street and get a good meatball sub, and I think this place is going to come through. This is Michael Aimondi, the real. I shoot it straight, so hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it, get it out there, guys, because if you do that, then those other yuppie content creators are going to shit their pants. Durum, let's see what you got. Let's go to work. I said it for your last video, I'll do it again for parking. Most important thing, going to a new spot. There's plenty of parking out front and to the sides. No bathrooms, no seating. This is an Italian market. Grab your crap and get the hell out. Last video we went over this. They sell only 4 subs, and the mortadella gimmick I will definitely be back for. They have the proper things in a meatball sub. I was gonna take home with me one of their dinners. They're not fairly priced, but they just don't give you enough in these dinners. I picked up the chicken parm, I saw what was in it, and I said, never mind. Love when I see somebody selling Biancos. I think they're the best Italian sausage ever. And they have the olive oil I love using to cook with. I got their pasta fazool. The pancetta didn't look pan-seared. The pasta looked overcooked. There's not enough beans. And the broth just didn't look like there's enough effort. It looked like water. This fazool doesn't look like enough. And it doesn't look good at all. But the pasta fazool is not the star of the show today. It's the meatball sub, and the first thing you notice is the meat to bun ratio is awesome, and the sub roll they're using is much different from the little bit too hard of a bite roll they use with the Italian sub. I got excited that they just paper wrapped the hot sub, which places should do, and then I see the aluminum foil. Can't stand when any place aluminum foils their hot sub. They think I'm keeping it hot, but what you're doing is you are absolutely turning your bread roll into moist and texture of applesauce. Especially when you have a sandwich that has sauce, and look at the bottom layer of the bread. Stands no chance. There's something that doesn't belong. The sauce doesn't belong with this meatball. It doesn't live up to the billing here. The meatballs are soft and tender with a little bite, seasoned properly. We have some great flavored meatballs, but the bottom of this bun, like I told you, is getting killed. You know, sometimes I gotta calm down. It's not Lola Vice's peach, Mike. Relax. I love these meatballs. These meatballs are so good. I would put them in my gravy I would make myself, and the bread just gets destroyed. I know it was a long travel when you go from one town out of Lynn to the next, but look at the red roll. It doesn't last, and I like it a lot more than the Italian sub roll. It just, you gotta wrap it better, and you gotta make better sauce. I'm in the car, so now I can talk shit. Am I disappointed? I don't think I could be disappointed to have a meatball sub for breakfast. It's the breakfast of champions. Here is the issue with the meatball sub. I have zero issue with the meatballs. The sauce does not live up to the meatball. The bread roll, I like better than the bread roll that you use with the Italian. Simpler. Sometimes bread, when it's too hard, soft pillow on the inside, but a little bit too hard crunch, it's too much. Especially when you have an Italian with so much cold cuts. I like that bread roll better. But how you package it to go, I cannot stand places doing aluminum foil. And it's gonna mush up in the bottom. Just use paper wrap. Trust me. Bread roll solid. Meatballs, great aftertaste. Seasoned properly. Amazing texture. You want veal, pork, and beef, guys. Because the beef will give a little stronger texture than if you just use veal. Veal gives the nice, soft, tender bite, which these meatballs have. And pork is the flavor. Seasoned meatballs, something that people don't do enough around here. These are perfectly seasoned. The aftertaste is phenomenal right now. Love that you have basil on it. Very proper. I hate people that don't use basil enough. What's wrong with this meatball sub is the sauce does not hold up to the balls. You gotta do better with that sauce. A little too simplistic. You gotta get more garlic and onion flavor in, and you gotta use better tomatoes. You know my ranking system. I tell you how much I paid for it. $15 and change. I ate the whole thing. This isn't like the Italian sub that's 2 different meals, but I'm stuffed. Now I can go to work and eat fruit and bullshit, and I won't be hungry. So it definitely feeds you. It's definitely great quality. It's definitely worth it. How much would I pay for? I would pay over $20 if you fix that sauce. I'd pay $18. Solid meatball sub. Definitely better than most of the crap that I get around here. I'd even go as far as to say it's the best meatball sub that you can get in the North Shore. You fix the sauce. This is Michael Armandi the Real. I'm always going to shoot it straight, even with a place that I like. Above average Durum, but fix your sauce. Hit the subscribe button. Join the channel. More meatball subs. More barbecue spots. North Shore beefs, of course. Till I find the best food in the Boston area and all of New England. This is the kind of content you're not into. Piss off. That's it, I'm done!